Hi, I'm Gary the Water Guy, and I own the Water eStore and the Water Store, Midland, Ontario. Today we're talking about how to change the filter in a Viqua 3-piece whole house filter housing in 7 easy steps. Now, if you're not too familiar with this product, click the link up here. That'll take you right to a video of mine that does a review of this product. You'll really appreciate the information that's in that video. Now, when would you need to replace this filter? So the filter needs to be replaced after 1 year of use, or if the water flow in your house slows down before that. So the first thing you need to do is you need to shut off the water going to the filter. So you would turn off, you'd have a ball valve. It would either be located right before the filter housing, or it might be a gate valve, you know, the kind that you turn, or it might be just after the pressure tank, or if you're on a municipal water system, after the water meter where the shutoff is for the whole house. So once you've closed that off, then you go to a faucet anywhere in the house, laundry room, anything that's nearby, open up the cold water and let it run till it slows down to a trickle. That's releasing the pressure in the whole system. Once you've done that, then you can shut off this ball valve here, and that's going to keep the whole house from backflowing out where you pull the filter out. Okay, so once you've done that, so this has a pressure release on the top, so you can push that and make sure that all the pressure is gone. When all the pressure is gone, and only when all the pressure is gone, that's when you can open this up. So it comes with this nice filter housing wrench. So you put that on there and you start unscrewing it this way. All right, and once you've got it loose, then you can unscrew it all the way. Pull it back down. There. It's out. So just watch for the O-ring that comes out. Sometimes it stays on, sometimes it stays stuck up inside there. You can remove the old filter, take the filter housing, you can wash it out. Now, I should mention this procedure is exactly the same if you're using this clear filter housing, the white opaque one, or even if you're using this 20-inch big blue filter housing here. Now, this one makes it even easier, especially compared to other products out there, because it has a drain port at the bottom. Believe me, when this filter housing, this 20-inch one, is full of water and has a filter inside, it is super heavy. So by unscrewing that drain port I just showed you at the bottom, that drains the water out and makes it much easier to get off. Okay, so once you've cleaned this out, then you can use some plumber's clear silicone grease on this O-ring before putting it back in. Then you'd select a new filter to go inside here. Now, if you're not sure which sediment filter would be best for your family, check this video up here. Great video of mine that goes through the whole process of deciding which would be the best choice for whatever application you're using it for. Okay, so once we've got the new filter inside here, slide this up here, put this inside here, slide that in there, and we can start tightening that. Now, I should mention too that we do offer discount pricing and free shipping on our water filters. So if you want to go to our website, just click up here. It'll take you right, that link will take you right to our website, and you can check out all our water filters on there. Okay, so you tighten it as much as you can hand tight. You won't get it all the way hand tight. And then you use this wrench, and then you give it another, well, you just keep turning it till you can pretty much can't turn it anymore. You don't want to reef it too hard, because it'll make it very difficult to get off in the future. But you want to make it tight enough, obviously, so it doesn't leak. So once you've got that on, then your next step would be to open up this filter housing or this ball valve. So you just open it up partially and let it fill up and check for leaks. Once you're satisfied that there aren't any leaks, then you can open it up all the way. And then you can go to this valve and you can open it up all the way. And then I would go back to a bathtub faucet or a laundry room faucet, someplace that has a high flow and doesn't have one of those little screens on it, and let the water run. So you can have some bursts of air coming out of the system until the water runs a steady flow of water. So you might get a bit of splashing, so watch for that. And also any debris, any fines that might be inside the filter will be flushed out, especially if it's a carbon filter that you're replacing. You might get some gray water coming out of there at first with the carbon fines, and then eventually it'll clear. So once you flush 3 or 4 gallons of water through that, you're good to go. And that's it. If you like what you saw today, please click the subscribe button. That way you'll be notified about all the new videos that become available on this channel. I'd also really appreciate it if you share this video with your Facebook friends. I'm sure they'd appreciate it too. If you'd like some more information, you can go to our websites, either thewaterestore.com or thewaterstoremidland.com. And again, I'm Gary the Water Guy from the Water Store, Midland, Ontario. Thanks for watching.